Hello viewers, today for initial checkout we have an AT&T lineman's telephone. This is a touch-tone or pulse dialing model, and looks like we have test, talk, and monitoring settings. So I have this here, which is contraption I've used to get modular plug converted to an open line I can connect this telephone to. So let's connect this up. And these are not great connections by any means, but they will get us through the video. Okay, it's connected now. There is a light coming on. I don't hear anything happening. If I put it on the monitor, it's just quiet. Nothing happens when I press the button. Let's try talk. Okay, we have a dial tone. It is dialing. And it appears to have successfully placed a call. Testing, testing. Not only did it place a call, but it seems to work. And it would also sound like it has a carbon microphone. Testing, testing. 1, 2, 3. Mute. I just muted it. Unmuted. Mute, mute, mute. Unmute. Testing. Okay, that seems to work. Cycle through the numbers here. I skipped 4 because the crazy call recording thing. But 4 works because that was in the number I dialed. Alright. I think that hangs it up. Yep. Now I don't know if these things ring, but let's call it up and see what happens. Okay, the line's getting a ring signal. Now, I did hear something, and I think what we actually heard was the caller ID data come through. And perhaps, I don't know what the difference between test and monitor is. I'm going to leave it on monitor. And I'm going to call again. So that was the caller ID data coming through. That's really cool. Let's do that again. Calling now. And listen very closely after the first ring. You'll hear the data come through. So I guess these don't ring. I'm not really sure. I suppose there's really no reason for them to ring. But it could also be I just don't know how to use it. But anyways, that seems to work. So we'll get this refurbished eventually. Yeah, it was used, so it's pretty beat up, but it could definitely look better than it does now.